Frequently asked questions for Chartered Accountant. Questions number 1. How many years is the CA course? The minimum period for a person entering a Chartered Accountant course after 10+2, i.e. via CPT route, is 4.5 years. The minimum length of the Chartered Accountancy course, i.e. via direct entry scheme, for an individual entering after graduation is 3 years. Questions number 2. What are the Chartered Accountant qualifications? For graduates and postgraduates in commerce, a minimum score of 50% is expected, while other graduates or postgraduates need a minimum of 60% to qualify for Chartered Accountant. Candidates will register 9 months before the exam and complete 100 hours of information technology training afterwards. Questions number 3. Who is the first Chartered Accountant in India? The first Indian to be issued a membership certificate by ICAI was CA Gopaldas Padamsi Kapadia. The membership certificate was issued to him on June 9, 1950. He was one of the founding members and the first president of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Questions number 4. Is there any age limit for CA? There is also no upper age limit for admission to the Chartered Accountancy course. The original registration is valid for 5 years and can be revalidated for 5 years. Questions number 5. What is the work of CA? Chartered Accountant designation is worldwide, which refers to professional accountants who are qualified to take on a number of specific activities within the spectrum of accountancy. Such tasks include auditing financial statements, filing of corporate tax returns, and financial advising. Questions number 6. Where is the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, ICAI, located? The headquarters of ICAI is located in New Delhi. Other 5 regional centers of ICAI are located in Chennai, Kanpur, Kolkata, New Delhi, and Mumbai. It has 163 branches in other parts of the country. The institute also has 31 chapters abroad. Questions number 7. How many times one can attempt to clear the CA Foundation exam? If you have registered for the Foundation exam, it will be valid for next 3 years from the date of registration. A candidate can make a maximum 6 attempts to clear the Foundation exam. Foundation exam is conducted twice in a year. It is conducted in the month of May and November. Those who have missed appearing in the exam in May can appear in November. Questions number 8. When could 12th appearing student give first attempt of CA Foundation exam? Any student who is appearing for 12th class can register with Board of Studies. After completion of 4-month study period and after qualifying Class 12 examination, a student can appear for Foundation examination after passing 10+2 examination. Questions number 9. How to get CA Foundation examination key? Visit the ICAI official website and select Students menu from the top menu. Click on the Boss Knowledge portal from the drop-down menu. Choose Foundation course from the list. Click on the paper for which you wish to download the question paper. Then click on the suggested answers. Choose the suggested answer year. Download the answer in PDF mode. Questions number 10. How many marks comes from RTPs to CA Foundation exam? Analysis of past examination papers reveals that around 50% of the questions in the ICAI exams comes from the official material and sources, i.e., modules, practice manuals, mock tests, current RTP and past year RTP. Sometimes, final examination questions directly comes from the RTPs, and many times the questions as KED in the exam are very close to the questions in the RTPs. Questions number 11. How to download application form of CA Foundation exam. Students can download the Foundation registration form by visiting ICAI website and select Students menu and select Course Registration Forms. Questions number 12. What is the date for CA Foundation 2020 May exam? The last date for CA Foundation registration is December 31, 2019 for appearing in May 2020 examination and June 30, 2020 for appearing November 2020 examination. The schedule for the examinations will be published in ICAI website in due course. Questions number 13. How to study for CA intermediate exams. The following schedule is helpful for the students. Divide the study plan into 3 phases, i.e., learning phase, review phase, and revision phase. Set the daily targets with self-study. Review the previous studies daily before starting today's study. Appropriate use of the information/data available in Internet. Use the weekends sparingly with increased study hours, always suggestible to study institute study material and revision test papers, suggested answers, and practice manuals. Questions number 14. For IPCC Group 2 old syllabus students, which subjects they have to write in exams while converting into new intermediate CA course? What if they have exemption in old IPCC Group 2? The following is the exemptions available while converting into old syllabus to new. Exemption in paper/S granted in the intermediate IPC examination. Exemption in corresponding paper/S in the intermediate examination under Regulation 28G. 4. With effect from May 2018. Group 1, Paper 1, Accounting, Group 1, Paper 2, Business Laws, Ethics, and Communication, Group 1, Paper 2, Corporate and Other Laws, Group 1, Paper 3, Cost Accounting and Financial Management, Group 1, Paper 3, Cost and Management Accounting, and Group 2, Paper 8, Financial Management and Economics for Finance. Group 1, Paper 4, Taxation, Section A, Income Tax Law, Section B, Indirect Taxes, Group 2, Paper 5, Advanced Accounting, Group 2, Paper 5, Advanced Accounting, Group 2, Paper 6, Auditing and Assurance, Group 2, Paper 6, Auditing and Assurance, Group 2, Paper 7, Information Technology and Strategic Management, Section A, Information Technology, Section B, Strategic Management, Group 2, Paper 7, Enterprise Information Systems and Strategic Management, Section A, Enterprise Information Systems. Section B, Strategic Management. Questions number 15. What are the topics to be given utmost importance to study just before the exam in Accounting Group 1 CA Inter? It is suggestible to give importance to all the chapters equally. An equal weightage is given to all the chapters. Questions number 16. How can I get MCQ question along with answers asked in CA Intermediate May 2019 examination? Visit the ICAI official website and select Students menu from the top menu. Click on the Boss Knowledge portal from the drop-down menu. Choose Foundation course from the list. Click on the paper for which you wish to download the question paper. Then click on the Suggested Answers. Choose the suggested answer year. Download the answer in PDF mode. Questions number 17. I am an MBA finance graduate and not working in a company from last 4 years. Can I take CA intermediate exam directly? Am I eligible? Yes. The ICAI allows a candidate to enter directly to its intermediate course who is a commerce graduate/postgraduates, with minimum 55% marks, or other graduates/postgraduates, with minimum 60% marks. Questions number 18. Can I give CA intermediate exam in abroad? Foreign accounting body members will be asked to state their preference of exam session date and location on the ICAI registration form. Further information will be forwarded by the ICAI following successful registration. Candidates must apply for examinations in the prescribed format, and submit all relevant materials. MAU/MRA/joint declarations signed with foreign bodies. Qualification Reciprocity Arrangement, Memorandum of Understanding with Chartered Professional Accountants of Canada, CPA Canada, Mutual Recognition Agreement with the Institute of Certified Public Accountants in Ireland, CPA Ireland, Mutual Recognition Agreement with the South African Institute of Chartered Accountants, SAICA, Mutual Recognition Agreement, MRA, with CPA Australia, Bilateral Cooperations, Memorandum of Understanding with the Institute of Certified Public Accountants of Kenya, ICPAC, Memorandum of Understanding with Bahrain Institute of Banking and Finance, BIBF, Memorandum of Understanding with the National Board of Accountants and Auditors, NBAA, Tanzania, Memorandum of Understanding with the Institute of Chartered Accountants of Nepal, ICAN, Memorandum of Understanding, MAU, with the Accounting and Auditing Standards Board of Bhutan, Memorandum of Understanding, MAU, between ICAI and College of Banking and Financial Studies. CBFS, Oman. Unilateral Agreements/Pilot International Pathway Program, Pilot International Pathway Program of Chartered Accountants Australia and New Zealand. International Pathway Program of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of England and Wales, ICAO, License Agreement with ISACA. Questions number 19. Will ICAI release mock test results, CA Intermediate? Yes. ICAI will release the question paper and answers for the mock tests conducted. However, Southern India Regional Council of the ICAI will release the marks. Click on the Students menu in the top menu, in which find SIRC mock tests.